sitting judge in Trelawny has reportedly taken her own life, leaving the nation stunned and asking serious questions about the pressures faced inside our justice system. The body of Judge Ruth Lawrence, parish court judge for Trelawny, was discovered at her home in Coral Spring. Reports indicate she was found unresponsive and later pronounced dead at the Falmouth Public General Hospital. Law enforcement officials are treating her death as a suspected case of suicide. The news has sent shock and grief through the legal community, as Judge Lawrence was known as a dedicated and disciplined servant of the bench. And sadly, this tragedy echoes other stories we've seen. Not long ago, Todd, a young man full of life, laughter and a smile that could light up any room, also ended his own life. Just like Judge Lawrence, his passing shocked those around him because no one expected it. And beautiful Tyra Spalding also became a victim of suicide. It's a painful reminder. So often people wear a bright smile in public, while silently fighting their darkest battles inside. Behind laughter, behind sunglasses, behind success, there can still be unimaginable pain. Her colleagues, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and community members have all expressed sadness at this sudden and tragic loss. Many are now raising concerns about the tremendous pressure and isolation faced by members of the judiciary who often deal with sensitive cases, long hours, and the heavy burden of justice. At this point, investigators have not released details about what may have led to her death. But her passing shines a painful spotlight on the urgent need for greater mental health support across Jamaica, including for those who carry out some of the most stressful jobs in public service. This is a heartbreaking moment for Jamaica, one that should push us to ask tough questions about how we support those who serve in our courts. If you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out. In Jamaica, you can call the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888-NEW-LIFE, 888-639-5433. You're not alone and help is available. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. And remember, stay locked in with Michy commentary for the stories that matter. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.